Welcome to the St. James Episcopal Church here in Santee, outside of Cullenville, South Carolina. Very cool space. It's an abandoned church here out in the middle of nowhere. And I saw someone as I drove in, but I am the only person here. There's nothing else going on. Look at those interior dentals. And they call it the brick church. You kind of get a feeling of this. The ground here, it's old. Look how these pews are set up. If you wanted to go into a pew, you really have to open it up and go in. You can imagine people sitting here back in the, oh, it's so dirty and dusty actually. I can't believe I just sat down, but yeah. Silent in here if I don't talk. All right. So it's like time travel. I do feel like I'm back in time. So this is the church that's the partner church, the second building of the place we were earlier on. In that chapel of Ease. And this is the brick church at Wamba. This place was built in 1768. 1768. Older than this country is this church. People who were absolutely British subjects used to come to this church and pray in these pews right here. I mean, I don't know if these are the original pews. I doubt it, right? But maybe they are. I mean, look at the metalwork here. It looks pretty old. But is it 200 years old? I can't believe it is. But is it? It could be. It could very well be. Let's take a close look at those dentals. Oh, it's all like wood carving. Whoa, gimbal. Slow your roll. So cool. I can imagine them all here praying. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the power, the glory, forever and ever. You can almost hear the ghosts of the space together in unison say, Amen. 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 Super cool. from evil spirits. Or maybe the blues keep evil spirits in. No. There's something not evil at all about this place. It is definitely keeping the evil spirits out. The ghosts in this church are peaceful and respectful. Definitely paid them their due. What's this? What's this I see? Some sort of other spirit. Hello. Who are you? You are a friendly kitty. Yes, you are. Hi. Hi, little one. Oh yeah, just like that, huh? All right. I think this might be the tree that I'm looking for. I'm looking for an oak tree. Oh, hey, yeah, you're not gonna nudge me that way. Give me a break, all right, little guy. Yes, you are. I think you have to come with me, maybe. You want to come to New York? You want to be a new kitty? Oh, you got a little scratchy scratch there, huh? I get that. Yes, you're a good kitty. Yes, you're a good kitty. Oh, yes, you are. Oh, yes, you are a good kitty. That's a sweet cat right there. I'm going to have to edit that out later, I'm not sure. So, Jim was telling me a story about a particular tree. I'm not sure which one it is. But apparently, George Washington walked out of this church, and the person responsible for the property said, yeah, I'm going to get rid of this tree. I don't like it. It's in my way. And Washington walked up to the tree. George Washington, General George Washington, first president of the United States of America. And he walked up to the tree and he said, this tree? They said, yeah, that's the one. And he put his hand on the tree and he said, this is a good tree. This is a strong tree. You should keep this tree. And here it is still, today, hundreds of years later. No idea if it was this tree or not. But, gosh, don't ever let a good legend about a tree get mixed up with which tree it actually is. Oh, look at you. Are you just the best little kitty ever on this gravestone? Is that a nice warm little gravestone for you? Are you the best little kitty ever? Who's the best little kitty ever? You, is it you? You want to smell this finger? You want to smell that finger? Yeah, it's a good one? All right. Let me hook you up. Let me hook you up with some scratches. Oh yeah, you like it. I can tell that you like it. Oh yes. Yes, you are a good kitty. Yes, you are a good kitty. Oh my gosh. You are just like the best little kitty ever. Yes, you are. Oh, this could just be a cat scratching video instead. Yes, you are. Yes, you are my favorite little kitty on this trip. Oh, who's a good kitty? Who's a good kitty? Yes, you are. Yes, you are a good kitty kitty. Yes, you are a good kitty cat. Yes, you are. You're just getting like the whole treatment, aren't you? You're gonna come with me, aren't you? Is that right? You and me, we're going somewhere? Let's see if you've got worms. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna leave you to the forest and see how it goes. Well, thank you, Jim. Thanks for getting me to come out and see this. Really interesting. Seabrooks. I went to high school with a guy named Seabrook. I wonder if this is that. Can't tell you guys how hard it is for me to leave that cat behind right now. kind of like want the cat to come with me. Not possible. Did not book a cat seat on my flight tomorrow. We've seen these iron crosses before. This looks like the McClellan names here. These are old gravestones. 100 years old. Yeah. Stars and bars right there. Guess these guys were part of the Confederacy, but survived that Great War. North and South, and brother against brother. Oh, someone wants to come with me? I can't stay. I gotta go. But you want to say goodbye one last time? You want to say goodbye? Someone's got itchy ears, huh? You got itchy ears? Who's a good kitty? What do you smell? What do you smell, huh? Oh, you're too fast. I can't pan that quick. All right. That is enough. See you guys later. It's Chris Sandeman signing off from the site of Washington's Oak. Maybe not. Ciao.